We are going to try this descent. It's, to be honest, I thought that it's not going to be that difficult, but it's actually quite difficult. It's not easy at all. I never thought it to be that difficult. It's quite slippery. We have been thinking about doing this for quite a while, but today we thought, okay, let's give it a try. Yeah, now it's better. It's 20% fun, 80% risk. ये रास्ता यही वाला था। मुझे क्यों ये रास्ता मुख्तलिफ लग रहा है। Oh. So my drone, while following me, it went into the bushes. Oh, that's beautiful. This is the first time I have to paddle.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
So I gotta land the drone because the battery level is low and I did not update the home point. यार वो बैटरी 20% रह गई थी. So I have to change the battery. Can you hold this for me, please? Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome.
So we have
Home
73%
point
battery.
updated.
Let's take off once again. And we resume our descent. We are almost here, probably maybe a couple of more turns, and then we're gonna hit the main road. Yes, 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 yes. I believe we're here. Was an experience, but yeah, obviously we shouldn't have done without safety equipment, because we were not wearing helmets and knee and elbow guards, so that was obviously not safe. But yeah, we were exhausted quite a lot, and it's hot and humid. We thought we should take a dip in the water.
Band.